Why will you enroll in this clinical mental health course of 6 months arranged by LifeSpring Limited? You see, we get these calls every day when we conduct this 6 months training, and people want to know who can enroll and what are the benefits we are going to get doing this clinical mental health course. The first thing I would like to say is, definitely this course will not qualify yourself to be a psychotherapist, psychiatrist, psychologist, and not even a counselor. We don't say that. What we say that after doing this course, you will understand yourself much more better. You will understand your people surrounding you much more better, and you will be able to manage yourself and manage the people and surroundings that surround you much more better than you used to do. So like if you are a leader, you will be able to manage your team more appropriately because you'll be able to understand the psychology of your teammates. It will also help you immensely in your professional development. If you're applying for a scholarship in foreign countries, or if you're applying for a job, if you add this 6 months training in your personal resume, it will definitely add a lot of values. Apart from this, this clinical mental health course will definitely assist you to become a more experienced everyday counselor. That's not what I mean by professional counselors, but you see, every one of us are counselors to some extent. Like we do counseling to our kids, we do counseling to our spouses, we do counseling to our students, and we do a lot of counseling every day. So why not we learn how to do it in a more scientific approach, in a more systematic approach, and a more experienced approach? So this is the thing that you will get from this 6 months course. Every one of you who has interest in mental health can do this. You don't need to be a psychologist, you don't need to be a psychiatrist, you don't need to be students of these subjects. You can be from any discipline. You can be a doctor, you can be a lawyer, you can be a homemaker, you can be a professor, you can be anyone who just has sincere and keen interest in mental health. So I welcome every one of you to this course, and what we are going to teach you in this course is basic mental health disorders. That's the first 4 classes. Then we'll move on to cognitive behavior therapy. That's an extended version. We'll have that taught for 6 classes. Then we'll go on to teach you about anger management. We'll be teaching you about relationship counseling. We'll be teaching you about parenting skills. We'll be teaching you about common behavioral therapies. We'll be teaching you about common sexual health problems and their misconceptions and basic remedies. And then we'll be focusing you on how you can understand human personality a bit more better than you now can understand. So again, I welcome you all to this wonderful 6 months program. We have already completed 3 of our batches and we have very good reviews. So if you want to enroll, you are welcome, and we'll see you for January.